shaken like waves on the shore. With every sunrise, with every dream, I'll be the whisper in the air you breathe. Through every storm, through every night, I'll hold your hand and guide the light. No distance great, no time too long. With you my love is where I belong. Oh, I'll speak to your heart in a voice so true, softer than moonlight meant only for you. I wanna hold you through every storm, keep you safe, keep you warm. I wanna wake up beside you each day, feel your heartbeat, chase your fears away. In a cabin where the wildflowers grow, just you and me letting love overflow. And I'm gonna love you like no one has before. With every breath, with all my soul, I'll give you more and more. I'll earn your trust, I'll hold your heart through every trial, through every spark, making memories of us. Yeah, yeah. I'll honor the ones who gave you life, thank them for raising my beautiful wife. I wanna steal your laughter like a thief, fill our days with love and belief, yeah. I'll stand tall so the world can see a man who loves you endlessly. I'll paint the sky with colors so bright to remind you, love, I'm yours for life. Oh,